Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to check if someone have restricted on you on Instagram. So head over to your Instagram application and go to the search section, and here tap or search the person. So if you can find the person, if you can't find the person, you can know that they may have restricted you. And you can also try just going to the DMs if you can't find them in your DMs. And although you send message but they are not delivering, you can know that that person is not the person may have restricted you on their Instagram. Sometimes it may happen that you have texted the person, but it is showing that they haven't seen it, or the seen tag is not showing, or the read received is not showing. So that can also mean that they have restricted you. So yeah, these are the visible ways with which you can know it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.